students, how are you? Students, today I am going to tell you the summary of the first lesson of your book Footprints Without Feet. The name of the lesson is A Triumph of Surgery, which has been written by James Harriet. Student, this is a story of a dog, and in this story there are few characters. Number one, Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinary doctor and is also the narrator of the story. Miss Pumphrey, the owner of the dog. Tricky, the dog. Hodgkins, Mrs. Pumphrey's gardener. Tristan, Mr. Harriet's servant in the clinic. Students, one day when Mr. Harriet, the veterinary doctor, Mr. Veterinary doctor is the doctor who treats the animals. One day when Mr. Harriet was moving in his car, he saw the dog. He knew that dog, he knew that the name of the dog was Tricky, and that dog was moving along with his owner, and Mr. Harriet also knew Mrs. Pumphrey, who was the owner of the dog. When he saw the bad condition of the dog, fatness, he observed the fatness of the dog, then he stopped his car. After that, he asked Miss Pumphrey if he was giving him sweets to eat, which he instructed her not to give him to eat. At this, Miss Pumphrey answered that Tricky loved to eat cakes, chocolates and other kinds of sweets. That is why it was impossible for her to stop giving him this type of things. After listening these words, Mr. Harriet went away. And after a few days, he received the call from Mrs. Pumphrey. Miss Pumphrey that day was restless and worried, and she informed Mr. Harriet that Tricky even refused to eat anything. That is why Mr. Harriet immediately reached her house in his car. After reaching her house, Mr. Harriet observed the condition of Tricky and advised Miss Pumphrey to admit Tricky in his clinic. Miss Pumphrey loved her dog too much, and he could not live without him even for a moment. That is why she was at first hesitating to admit him in the clinic. But Mr. Harriet was determined, and he announced that if Tricky would not be admitted to the hospital, then he would not be recovered. After listening these words, Miss Pumphrey was agreed to admit Tricky in the hospital, and after that, Mr. Harriet took Tricky in his laps and moved towards his car. While he was moving towards his car, the servants of Miss Pumphrey following him by carrying Tricky's coats, different type of coats, cushions, toys and different types of beds. Bed for the day and bed for the night. And after that, Mr. Harriet reached his car, and the servant of Miss Pumphrey also reached the car of Mr. Harriet, and after that Mr. Harriet put Tricky in his car, and the servants of Miss Pomfrey put Tricky's luggage in the car. And the car was full of Tricky's luggage. And then Mr. Harriet moved towards his clinic. While he was moving towards his clinic, he looked the image of Miss Pomfrey on the mirror of the car. He looked at Miss Pomfrey was shedding tears, but he did not worry and moved ahead. After that, he reached clinic, and after reaching clinic, he put Tricky on the carpet of the floor, and then he prepared the bed for him. There are many dogs in Mr. Harriet's. There are many dogs in Mr. Harriet's clinic, and he prepared beds for them. That is why he also prepared a bed for Tricky. And after preparing that bed, Mr. Harriet put Tricky on his bed. Near about 2 days, Tricky did not move from his bed, and he did not show any interest in anything. And at the end of second day, he started looking around. And the third day, he started moving in the clinic. When other dogs who were living in the clinic, they saw Tricky, then they surrounded him. But Tricky did not show any interest in them. After that, they ignored Tricky and moved towards garden. And Tricky also followed other dogs to the garden. And after reaching the garden, when the dog reached the garden, then Tristan, the servant of Mr. Harriet, placed the balls full of food before the dog, and dog started eating their foods by producing different types of sounds. But Tricky was watching them eating food. When they finished and went away, then Tricky reached the balls and started licking the remaining food in the ball. While Tricky was licking the remaining food in the ball, Mr. Harriet was watching him, and he became happy. That is why the next day he instructed Tristan to put another ball for Tricky. And the next day Tricky ate his meal, and then Mr. Harriet informed Miss Pomfrey. Before that, Miss Pomfrey used to call daily, near about 12 times in a day, for asking the condition of Tricky. But Mr. Harriet ignored her all questions, and he only gave the answers regarding the health of Tricky. And the fourth day, Mr. Harriet informed Mrs. Pomfrey that Tricky started eating food. Then Mrs. Pomfrey became happy, and he reached the clinic with her servants, who were carrying eggs, cakes and wines for Tricky. And after reaching clinic, they gave all the items, food items, to Mr. Harriet in order to feed Tricky. After that they went away. Tricky could not eat all things, and Mr. Harriet also did not give Tricky to eat everything which were given by Mrs. Pomfrey. And Mr. Harriet started eating eggs, wines, sweets, which were given to him by Miss Pomfrey, along with his uh, companion, partner Tristan. You can a servant Tristan. And Tristan and Mr. Harriet were enjoying the foods, eggs and wines. And they were very happy. And Mr. Harriet wanted to keep Tricky in his clinic forever, because he knew if Tricky would live with them in the clinic, then Miss Pomfrey will send the food items continuously, and then they would enjoy eating food items. And after that, Mrs. Pomfrey started sending brandy for Tricky, and after taking brandy, Tricky felt energetic. And after that, what happened? It remained continue for many days, and after 14 days, Mr. Harriet informed Mrs. Pomfrey that Tricky was recovered, and she might carry Tricky to her home. After that, after listening these words of Mr. Harriet, Miss Pomfrey reached this clinic within a few minutes, along with her servants. And when Mr. Harriet saw Miss Pomfrey, then he requested her to stay in the car, and he himself lifted Tricky in his lap and put him in the car. And all the Tricky's luggage, toys, cushions, bed, coats were kept in the car. After that, Miss Pomfrey moved from there. While she was moving towards her house, she looked back in order to pay thanks to Mr. Harriet for treating her dog. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this lesson in form of summary, and I request you to read and write the summary which I will provide you in detail. Tomorrow I will explain the lesson line by line. Thank you and have a nice day.